transmission and 12-valve bladder. The gas station came out looking nice and clean. So I got the off-road part there detailed in this tool. I put the rear LED on top. I put this extra over here. It's a sticker reflector. I think it matches pretty good. This particular project, I want you to clean it as opposed to customize it. Those are new rims. Those are original stock steel rims. And I went with those just to keep that stock look. I did add the tires a little oversized, but not by much. They want it to be, again, out of the stock image. I did add the toolbox only because it's an 8-foot bed. It's kind of weird having such a long bed. Some guys like it. I put the Line X in the back. It looks so much better. Lifetime guarantee. What they say. I had the silver trim on the bottom. I opted to take that off. Got silver paint from here down. Some guys like it. Some guys don't. I don't know. This time I just went with one solid color. As you can see, I added the LED lights in the front. I took off that roof rack. It belongs on the Ford. I actually added the cab lights. All these little modifications, the LEDs, the cab lights, the stereo system, is going to be part of this video showing whole completion. Looking pretty good. What I did was in here, I put the stereo subwoofer in here. This right here. Right? The amp is with there. New stereo system, you know, so the guys can use the USB. Have the Bluetooth right up there. Super clean. And so you can't hard to find them like this. This one has 130. Just take over 130. Don't forget to subscribe. Helps me to believe I'm not doing these videos for nothing. Rock and roll your Dodge Ram Cummins. You just got a regular Dodge Ram with a gas. You're part of the Ram family. Alright, brothers, sisters, take care. Have a good one. P.S. I forgot to show the motor. PSS. I don't know how many S's I got to go, but look, this is where I put the LED buttons. Great idea, great place to put it as opposed to putting holes in your dash. So this one's like, I use this for the front, this one for the rear. These are two extra ones just in case when I hook up a horn. or some other gadget. I thought I'd include that in the video with this solar project. I promise that's it, man.